Good morning and welcome back to the Vette YouTube channel. Today we're off to the car show, the hardcore Fab car show that is, and open house. Let's go check it out. Now this car show, because it's in Kansas, wouldn't be complete without a chance of thunderstorms. So that's what we got going on behind us right now and headed towards us. But we're still going. We're still heading there. I mean, I've already heard that there are a ton of cars there. So I'm excited to get there. I'm excited to get some reactions of the car. And, you know, it's gonna be a great time. I'll be sure to try to get as much video as I can. So, without further ado, sit back, relax, and roll that intro, baby. Alright, we got the show. It's sprinkling just a little bit. Drove mostly here in the rain without wipers. I need to get those fixed. But we got a little bit of music, so I have to cut some parts in and out, but it won't be too bad.
It does what it needs to do. Gives you the ability to keep playing, so.
This is a really cool van. This is sweet. That's super cool. It's a Haven. There's one of Ethan's trucks. Oh, there's Ethan himself. He's gonna skip the video. Hey, it's already broken. A screen at least. Doesn't look like the rain scared anybody off, which is awesome.
I do miss it. This is like, well, come on, dude. Is everything again?
Like, I just want to follow.
Yeah.
Try to get as many of these cars as we can. They got a lot going on today, doing some bead rolling. They've also got a sound competition. That's gonna be really cool. I heard you hear somebody bumping a little bit when they rolled in. It was very cool. We are not entering the Corvette into that because, well, it's not that loud. It's loud, but it's not that loud. That's a beaut right there. Both of these. Gorgeous. Someday, I hope to have one of each of these. We got more rolling in, at least what it looks like. It's pretty sweet rides, for sure. People come from all over the place to come to this car show, this open house. It's been a minute since I've seen this. It's got a V8 Chevy V8 in it. Really cool. Really cool Porsche. Oh yeah. You're alright.
Put your stuff down.
We got cars in the parking lot looking good. So here's Anthony's Vette cart. Kind of his whole setup here. I think let's go this way, then we can go check out this is really cool. Check out the bus back there. some of their projects they've been working on. This is sweet. I don't know that I can get everything in there, but that's pretty awesome. Great turnout, even with the rain. I think it'd be so much fun to build one of these, have one, drive around. Yeah, so inside they got the B-roll and demo. Got some merch inside. I'll show you guys the trophies that they got. Those are pretty sweet. Custom build.
I got it already. I got your little one.
It's a nice little fun toys down here. That's so cool. Beautiful Nomad. Seeing a lot of people from Hutch, which is awesome. Hutch coming out to support. Sweet truck. It'd be awesome to have a C10 like that, an old truck. Need a big garage. Keep all these cars in.
Which one you're voting for, Roslyn?
And don't worry, we've got the Corvette out here to show you guys. Love the Beetles. Little Beetles, the bugs. They're so cool. And we have one that will be getting work done soon. As this fills up, I plan to show you guys some more, so stay tuned. As we get more pulling in and see some more. Nice. Ooh, Jeep gang coming out. Let's go. I like that color. It's sweet. Very cool.
They just don't realize that eventually it'll get better.
Sweet bike.
Nice
And there you go. There it is. Corvette out in its glory. But I did skip this beauty right here in front of us. That's really sweet. Yep, that's the way to do it right there. Got Messi showing us around it, huh? Oh wait, that's Cohen. Even details up on the roof. I love those cars. Alright, as we get more, we will check them out. We got a little bit of stuff going on right here. Got our Vette store, a QR for it. And then over on this side, our giveaway that is currently going on. Depending on when this video is posted, I suppose, it's going till June 12th, 2026. For a roof rack, set of roof rack crossbars, just like these on the Jeep. So you could potentially win a set of those for your Jeep. Your JK, your JL, also got that. Or Gladiator JTs. Oh yeah, looking good. Alright, I know the audio is not going to do it justice, but they got it turned down, but that Suburban Tahoe over there sounds incredible. I mean, so good with the bass that the Jeep's window rattles. So if they turn it back on, I'm going to cut the audio, but I'll show you the rattle. And I can't even do it right now. Man, look at the doors, like, brother.
Oh man, coming out.
That's so cool. It's on a whole drag pack. Yeah. That's sweet. Oh yes. I'm just gonna loop like around this way and then green onion GT. Very nice. Got the hood off now.
Oh, what's this?
It came from Michigan.
Look at that.
Yeah. What kind of motor is that? It's a Corvette motor. Couldn't tell you which one, but it's not like ours. I would guess LS6. Something much, much better. Beautiful interior. Yeah. Don't touch, Cohen. That's clean. Very clean. Here's our Jeep project. Nice little build room. Check out their YouTube channel. And you guys can see more of like this full build. And all this stuff going on with it. Plus other things that go on around here. Got a lot of cool little projects. This is such a sweet shop. Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Hi, Cohen. Couple more rolling in next to us. We got a sweet Catalina, I think. No way. Is that a Catalina? I think it is. That's sweet looking. We'll back up to give him some room to get in between us. Between us and the truck there. That's sweet. It is a Catalina. Wow. Ours will look nothing like that because it's not that old. Whew.
Everywhere.
What year is that?
62.
62?
He did everything. The next year he had it just painted it the color.
That's sweet. A 62 Catalina. That paint, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but it is sick. Very, very cool. Look at that. Like, alright, this makes me want to get our Catalina for Papa Johnny running. Look at just the details of this thing, like, whew. Alright, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it's entered, but this is the one that's getting our vote. Even the steering wheel, got the glitter, whew. Whew. So clean. Yep, we got a lot of work to do on ours to get ours to this point. Worked over in the other parking lot earlier, I think. If it's the same one, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like Corey's one. What? Corey's old one? Corey.
Oh, Carrie.
Carey. Carey's old.
Yes.
Who's Carey? Vote for that.
Mom, Arctic Mama, where you at, girl? Look at this beaut. Look at this beaut rolling in here like a champ. Yeah. I love Dennis out here helping people get directed like where to go and park. He's the one that's got the yellow truck that I mentioned earlier. He is the car show guy, like supporter, biggest supporter that I know. Shares them all, knows about them all. It's awesome. Love it. We're just dipping our toes back into the car show scene. Size new rig. Used to go drag racing with him. He had an old Camaro with black flames on it. Now he's got a Blazer with the system. It's banging. I don't know if we can see it, but it's a pretty sweet C20. That's clean. But I got another couple cars that I haven't showed. Oh, I didn't realize they're both Cavalinas. That's so cool. Got a really cool old Chevy Suburban here. Rescue. Oh, it's a Cheyenne Super 20. These are so cool. Like, just look at the space in the back of that thing. Oof. I wonder if this, I don't look, but I wonder if this is a 62 as well. Yeah, it is. It is, they're both 62s. That's cool. One thing's guaranteed about Hutch, you're gonna have a train go through your video at some point. Alright, now the train's over, fam's hanging out, dipping out the video. So they won a projects trophy because it's not done, it's a total project. This van right there, they drove from Canada. Oh, it got started. Still a little project, but hey, that's cool. And then that bus, oh, missed a gear, drove in from Illinois. So cool, so cool. Really appreciate having the opportunity to come out here. Second year in a row. Third year is going to be even better. Can't wait. I'm looking forward to it. Maybe we'll have a little more to go with it next year too, because this is a lot of fun. It's really more just a chill kind of hangout, bring your car kind of car show, hang out for the day, have some food, meet some people, talk to some people. It's a ton of fun, but the words are handed out, everybody's headed out. It's a good time for sure. Check out the live stream where I got a lot of video of like most of the cars that came. I did miss some because, like I said, it's come and go, so we had some that showed up later than others. Anyhow, I hope y'all have a great day. We'll catch y'all on the next one. God bless y'all.